Have you ever noticed that something as simple as walking can start to feel just a little less steady after the age of 70? Maybe it's subtle at first. A slight hesitation before stepping off a curb, a moment of imbalance when turning around, or that quiet awareness that your body doesn't quite move the way it used to. And yet, walking is one of the most important things you can do to stay independent, active, and confident in your later years. But here's something many people don't realize. Sometimes it's not your strength, it's not your age, it's not even your balance. Sometimes it's your posture. Today we're going to talk about one simple posture change that can make walking safer, steadier, and more comfortable after 70. It's gentle, it's natural, and once you understand it, you may never walk the same way again. If you're someone who cares about staying mobile, independent, and safe, take a moment to like this video and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss what's coming next. Now, let's begin. Many people believe that as they age, walking becomes harder because their legs are weaker. But that's only part of the story. In reality, how you hold your body while walking plays a huge role in your stability. One of the most common posture habits that develops over time is leaning slightly forward, or even looking down while walking. It often happens without you noticing. Your shoulders round forward, your head drops just a bit. Your gaze shifts toward the ground. At first, it may feel natural, even safer. But over time, this small change can quietly affect your balance. When your head moves forward, your center of gravity shifts. Your body is no longer stacked in a straight, stable line. And when that alignment changes, your steps can become shorter, less confident, and more unpredictable. Let me tell you about Robert. Robert is 74 years old. He's always been active. He enjoys morning walks around his neighborhood, but over the past year, he noticed something strange. He wasn't walking as smoothly as before. He found himself looking down at the ground, especially when he felt unsure. One day, he tripped on a slightly uneven sidewalk. He didn't fall, but it shook his confidence. After that, he became more cautious. Shorter steps, slower pace, more looking down. It felt safer. But in reality, it made his walking less stable. Then, during a routine visit, a physical therapist gave him a simple suggestion. Try lifting your chest gently and keep your eyes looking ahead. That was it. No complicated exercises, no equipment, just a small adjustment. At first, it felt unfamiliar, but within a few days, Robert noticed something. His steps felt more natural, his balance improved, and he didn't feel the need to constantly look down. This brings us to the simple posture change. Instead of leaning forward, gently align your body in a more upright position, not stiff, not forced, just naturally upright. Imagine a string gently lifting the top of your head upward. Let your shoulders relax back slightly. Keep your chin level, not tilted down. And most importantly, let your eyes look forward, not at your feet. This simple alignment helps your body stay balanced over your feet. It allows your muscles to work together more efficiently, and it gives your brain better information about where you are in space. Because balance is not just about your legs, it's about how your whole body communicates. Now you might be thinking, but what if I feel safer looking down? That's a very real concern, and you're not alone. Many older adults feel more secure when they can see the ground directly in front of them. But here's the gentle truth. When you constantly look down, you actually reduce your awareness of your surroundings. You may miss changes in terrain, obstacles ahead, or people moving nearby. Instead, try this simple adjustment. Look ahead, about 10 to 15 feet in front of you. This gives you enough time to notice anything in your path, and it allows your body to move in a more natural, balanced rhythm. Let me share another example. Margaret is 78. She enjoys walking in the park near her home, but she always kept her eyes fixed on the ground. She believed it helped her avoid tripping, but she often felt tense, and her neck would ache after longer walks. When she learned to lift her gaze slightly forward, something changed. She felt more relaxed, her steps became smoother, and she started noticing the beauty around her again. The trees, the sky, the people. Walking became enjoyable, not stressful. So here's a simple tip you can try today. The next time you walk, pause for a moment before you begin. Stand still. Gently lift your chest, relax your shoulders, align your head over your body, and then take your first step. Slowly. Notice how it feels. You don't have to change everything at once. Just start with awareness. Another important piece of posture is how your arms move. Many people hold their arms stiffly or barely move them at all. But your arms are actually part of your balance system. When your arms swing naturally, they help stabilize your body. They create a gentle rhythm, and they reduce the effort your legs need to make. Think about how children walk. Their arms move freely, their bodies flow naturally. There's no stiffness, no hesitation. As we age, we sometimes lose that natural movement. But the good news is, we can bring it back. Let me tell you about James. James is 81. He walks every day, but he used to keep his hands clasped behind his back. He thought it made him look more dignified, but he often felt unsteady, especially when turning. After learning about arm movement, he tried something new. He let his arms hang naturally by his sides. Then he allowed a gentle swing as he walked. At first, it felt strange, but soon he noticed something surprising. He felt more balanced, more fluid, and less tired. So here's a simple suggestion. As you walk, let your arms move gently. Not exaggerated, not forced, just natural. Let your right arm move forward as your left foot steps forward, and vice versa. This natural rhythm helps your body stay coordinated. Now let's talk about another small but powerful adjustment. Your step length. Many older adults take very short steps, especially when they feel unsure. It's understandable. Short steps can feel safer, but when steps become too small, they can actually make walking less stable. Your body doesn't get the full support it needs. Your movement becomes choppy, and your risk of tripping can increase. Instead, aim for a comfortable, natural step. Not too long, not too short, just enough to feel smooth and steady. Let me share Linda's story. Linda is 76. After a minor fall, she became very cautious. Her steps became smaller and smaller. She walked slowly, almost shuffling. Over time, this made her feel even less stable. When she learned to gently lengthen her steps, just a little, everything changed. Her walking became smoother, her confidence returned, and she felt more in control of her movement. So here's a tip. Don't force long strides. Just allow your natural step to return. Let your body move with a gentle rhythm, and trust that your posture will support you. Another important factor is your foot placement. When you walk, try to place your heel down first, then roll through to your toes. This creates a smooth, stable motion. It also helps your body absorb impact more gently. If you notice that your steps feel flat or heavy, take a moment to slow down. Focus on that heel-to-toe motion. It may feel small, but it can make a big difference. Now, you might be wondering, is it really possible that such small changes can improve my walking? The answer is yes, because walking is not just about strength. It's about coordination, alignment, and awareness. When your body is aligned, everything works together. Your muscles don't have to fight against each other. Your balance system becomes more efficient, and your movement becomes more natural. Let's bring all of this together. A gentle, upright posture, eyes looking forward, relaxed shoulders, natural arm swing, comfortable step length, smooth foot placement. These are not big changes, but together, They create a powerful difference. Before we close, let's take a moment for one more reflection. Think about your next walk. Where will you go? Maybe it's just around your home. Maybe it's down the street. Maybe it's in a quiet park. Wherever it is, take this knowledge with you. Walk slowly at first. Pay attention to how your body feels. Make small adjustments. And most importantly, be patient with yourself. Change doesn't happen all at once, but with gentle practice, it becomes natural. And over time, it becomes part of who you are. Walking with confidence, walking with ease, walking with safety, because you deserve to feel steady, you deserve to feel strong, and you deserve to enjoy every step you take. If this video has been helpful to you, take a moment to like it, and feel free to share your own experiences in the comments. Have you noticed changes in your walking? Have you tried adjusting your posture? Your story may help someone else. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel, so you can continue learning simple, practical ways to take care of your health. Thank you so much for spending this time with me. Wishing you steady steps, good health, and peaceful walks every day.